So many persons are cashing out on Facebook. I've had people ask me, "Oh, V, you're on Facebook?" Yes, I'm on Facebook, and yes, I am monetized on Facebook. And in this last video I made, I shared how you can set up your payment details on your Facebook account. I also explained in that video that not setting it up can be the reason why you have stopped earning, because I had the same experience. My account stopped earning for a while and I didn't know what the problem was until I made inquiries and I did the setup. Then I realized that I had been suspended because I did not do the payout. I didn't do the payout setup. So I made that video where I explained how you can, step by step set up your Facebook payout account. Now, in today's video, I'll be answering some of the questions that have emerged from that particular video. I've asked people ask me, how do I get my TIN? Can I use my NIN? Should I use the 13 digit or the 10-digit TIN number? Can I use a different account number that is not a dollar account? Can I also use someone's SID card and then use my own bank details? I've had different questions. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering some of those questions so that you can get clarity and know exactly what to do when you want to set out your payouts for Facebook. The very first thing I'll be telling you is this. There are two very important documents that you need to have. The very first one is your identification card. It could be your international passport, your driver's license, your NIN, right? These are the three that I think I consider very valuable. Your name, your international passport, driver's license can serve as your identity card. Preferably use your name or your international ID if you have one. Now, the next thing I need you to pay attention to is the details of your bank account. It has to match the information on your ID card, or else you have issues. Facebook will not accept the verification process. They won't continue with you. The name, right? The name on your ID card, the name on your bank details has to be the same. This also means that the name on your TIN, right, also has to be the same. Your TIN is your tax identification number, right? I know some people say you can use your name. I don't know how true that is, but I will advise just go ahead and get your TIN and use it, right? Just get the TIN. I have checked the TIN, I've checked my name. There are two different numbers. So go ahead and get your TIN and just use it. It's very easy. You can go to the GTB website, right? That's Joint Tax Board, their website, and try if you could get it yourself. I tried, I attempted this, I couldn't get the information myself. So I had to contact their office. I went to their office around my environment and then they gave me a contact. I called that helped me to do mine for 5,000 naira. People who have come to me, I know have shared that contact with them with the man's permission, right? So I've shared the contact with them and I'm trusting them to get their own done. Instead of you to get confused and say, okay, should I use my name? Should I use my just go ahead and generate your TIN because it's important. You will need it. You will definitely need it. There are two different kinds of name. The individual name or the business name, the business name. The one I did was for is the individual name, right? I have a business account, but I also have a business TIN for it. So I did an individual one for myself, right? Because I don't want to mix my business and my personal dealings together. I hope I've been able to answer the question of which one should I use. Your TIN is different from your name, so please generate your TIN and get to use it. The next question I've been asked is, can I use a different bank account and then somebody in another country use a different address? It will not work. That is not going to work. Please and please, I'm going to repeat this. The name on your NIN and the name on your TIN and the name on your BVN, your bank details has to be the same. It has to be the same. Your Facebook account, the name can be different, right? Because on my Facebook account, I have Ali Virtue. But my bank details, my address, everything has Ali Mary, right? I need a name change. So I still have Ali Mary as my official document. So please, it has to tally. If it doesn't tally, they will not accept that application, right? You have issues. You can get stalked. You can get stalked. Now, the next thing, just like YouTube, we need to have a $25 threshold, right? Like your account needs to have up to 25 dollar before you can continue a particular step of verification. Yes, that's for the payout. You have been able to do your verification, you have entered your TIN, you have been able to, successfully do that particular part. For you to be able to complete the verification, where you can now begin to receive payment into an account, right? You need to have up to $25, right? That information is for people who are actually earning on Facebook. The third thing I'm going to talk about is the account type to use. Some people have asked me, and you said you use your Naira account. Have you received payment in that account? Yes, I have. So please, for Facebook, you can use your Naira account. You can use your Naira account if you don't have a dollar account. But I will advise you get a dollar account. It is easier, right? It is easier if you have a dollar account. So if you have a dollar account from any Nigerian banks, Access Bank, GTB, First Bank, you can use any of them, right? Zenith, any of them at all. Me, I actually used my Nigerian account, not even dollar account. And at the time when I did that payout in the setup, I had not opened my dollar account. Now, if you're a creator, I will advise that you just go ahead and go to the bank and create a dollar account for yourself. You need it if you're a creator. On YouTube, you have to receive money into your dollar account, not into another account. And you can't use PayPal, you can't use Gray, you can't use any of the other external sites. You have to use a bank that is existing either in this country or in that country. So it is important to have a dollar account. But if you don't have it, for Facebook, yes, you can use your Naira account, either First Bank, Access Bank. I think for Access Bank, I heard that the reason why people go for Access Bank is the exchange rate is fair, right? You can actually withdraw all your money. And then for First Bank, right? For First Bank, the reason why some persons go for First Bank is because they trust the bank. I actually use my First Bank account, but for my dollar account, I actually went on to open an access account to my dollar account because the day I tried to withdraw from my dollar account, I was able to withdraw all, and the exchange rate was fair. Go ahead and have a dollar account, right? Let me just go through it again. Have a dollar account, have your NIN ready or your international passport ready. Then have your TIN, the 10 digit, not the 13 digits. Have your TIN also ready, and you'll be able to get your payout successfully set up. Please ensure to follow the processes, right? In that video, I gave a very explanatory and detailed way on how to do your setup. Go ahead and follow the process and get yours done. Don't try to maneuver anything. Don't try to boycott anything. And no, you cannot use two different accounts. You can't use two different details. Whatever is on your bank should be the same thing on your name and your verification, right? Go ahead and have the same information. You don't want to have issues. I'm hoping that you found value in this video. If you did, please go ahead and ask me more questions. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section for me. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, share to your family and friends. There might be someone who needs this video. And I'm hoping I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. For now, do have a blessed day. Bye.